watching Classic Car Expo channel. In this video, I will show you an American classic cars priced between $25,000 and $75,000 in 2024. Owning an American classic car offers a unique blend of nostalgia and prestige. These vehicles are not just modes of transportation. They are pieces of history that can tell story of a bygone era. The craftsmanship and design of classic cars reflect a time when automotive innovation was at its peak, making its drive a journey back in time. This connection to history can provide a sense of pride and joy that modern cars often lack. The driving experience of an American classic car is unmatched by contemporary vehicles. These cars offer a raw, unfiltered connection to the road with a powerful engine and distinctive handling characteristic. The sound of a roaring V8 engine, the feel of a manual transmission, and the sight of a beautifully designed dashboard all contribute to a driving experience that is both exhilarating and authentic. Lastly, the community and culture surrounding American classic cars are incredibly rewarding. Classic car show, clubs, and events offer owners a chance to connect with like-minded individuals who share a passion for those vintage machines. The camaraderie can lead to lasting friendship and a supportive network of fellow enthusiasts.